Hey party people, Techno back again with another video on the challenges from this year's Cyber Apocalypse 2024 from Hack the Box. And in this one, we are going to be looking at a very easy challenge in the crypto category, and that challenge is going to be Makeshift. So this challenge is going to provide us with a zip file that when we unzip is going to create this challenge folder. And if we jump into the challenge folder quick, we're going to see that it contains two files. Never mind that mine contains four. We'll get to that in a moment. The two files that this will contain are output.txt and source.py. So if we cat the output.txt, it should be readily apparent that this is the flag we need, but in a scrambled format. And if we take a look at source.py, we will see the means by which this flag was scrambled. And this is a pretty simple script. So basically what's happening is the flag is imported. Flag is redefined as the inverse of the flag. A new string is created under new flag. And then we have a loop that iterates over the original reversed flag and does so for the entire length of the flag, of course, but does so in increments of 3. And what it's doing in that instance is it is taking the second character, first the second, so for starting in I, let's say this starts with the initial character, which would be H in the Hack the Box flag format. It is then taking the second character, which would be T, appending it to the string. It's taking the third character, which would be B, appending it to the string. And then finally, it's taking that initial H and it's placing that behind the T and the B. So basically, we're taking the first character of every set of 3 characters and moving it behind the following 2. And then we print the new flag, which is the contents of output.txt. So all we need to do to get the flag is to reverse this process. And fortunately, everything that we need to do to reverse this process is already defined right here, because this script will also unscramble the flag for us. That's what I have in decode.py. So if we just take a look at that, you're going to see that this is the same script. I've just pulled our string in here and defined that as the scrambled flag. Then we we reverse the scrambled flag using the same method as in source.py. And then we just follow the same process. And we can take a closer look at kind of what this is doing to get a little bit better picture of this. So let's just define our flag variable here, and we'll take our flag here. So there's our flag. And whenever we reverse this using this index here, you can see that it's starting to take shape as to what you would expect the Hack the Box flag to look like already. Now, going back to that initial idea of we're basically taking the first of every 3 letters and moving it behind the second and third, you can see very clearly here that this first index B, what we would be doing in terms of the script is actually taking the second letter, which is I plus 1, B plus 1 in the index, which is H, and appending that to this empty string flag. Then we take I plus 2, the third letter, T, append that to the flag, that gives us HT, and then we take the index itself, the present index, which will be the B, and then we append that. So effectively just taking this B, moving it behind the HT to get HTB, the beginning of the flag format. And then if we look at the second set of 3 letters here, we're taking this underscore and just shifting it behind the open curly brace and the 4, which would give us HTB open curly brace 4 underscore, which is really starting to look like our appropriate flag. So then when you actually run the script, or rerun the script as it were, we get the entire flag back, and we see that the flag is Hack the Box. A better weapon is needed. And I would agree, if in this case the weapon is this crypto, so to speak, then better crypto is definitely needed. So I know this was a short one. Thanks for taking a look at this simple little challenge with me. And until next time, take care, everybody. I will catch you later.